Welcome to Pell's Fundamentals. You can find more videos like this on our YouTube channel. Today's date is January 7th, 2025, and this is a Pell's Fundamentals breaking news report on U.S. and Greenland relations and the impact on Denmark. Donald Trump Jr. arrived in Greenland on Tuesday afternoon. On Tuesday afternoon, Donald Trump posted on Truth Social, "They in the free world need security, safety, strength, and peace. This is a deal that needs to happen." Trump also posted on Truth Social stating, "Greenland must be made great again." Greenland's Prime Minister, Mute B. Agerd, canceled a meeting with Denmark's King Frederick. It was scheduled for Wednesday, January 8th, 2025. The royal family declined to comment on the cancellation, referring inquiries to the Greenland government. Trump has repeatedly expressed a desire for Greenland to become part of the U.S., both during his previous presidency and after winning the November election. At a press conference at Mar-a-Lago in Florida, Donald Trump was asked if he would rule out using military or economic coercion to gain control of the Panama Canal in Greenland. He responded by saying, "No, I can't promise anything in relation to those two, but I can say this, we need them for economic security." Trump said he's considering imposing tariffs on Danish goods. This is the first time Denmark has been threatened with tariffs. Trump has previously threatened to increase tariffs on goods from Canada and Mexico, threats he repeated at his press conference. Trump has also repeatedly stated he wants the U.S. to control the Panama Canal. He has criticized Panama for charging American ships high fees to use the canal, and has alleged that Chinese soldiers control the waterway. The Panama Canal was constructed under U.S. leadership and opened in 1914. In 1977, the process of transferring the canal to Panama began, culminating in its complete handover in 1999. Trump's inauguration date is January 20th, 2025. The press conference at Mar-a-Lago was his first since Congress formally declared him the next U.S. president on Monday. King Frederick recently updated the royal coat of arms to give Greenland a more independent and prominent position. This has been a Pell's Fundamentals breaking news report. You can find more videos like this on our YouTube channel. We'll continue to follow this developing story. Check back often for updates.